27th. No? 1 kilowatt hour is equals to. Most of you might be knowing what is 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour. How many of you know? How many joules? 1 kilowatt hour. Anybody recollects? How many joule from 10 standard?
3.6.
3.6
Into 10
raised
raised to 6. In case we forget, then 1 kilo is 10 raised to 3 watt. 1 hour is 3600 second. So 10 raised to 3 watt means joule upon second into 3.6 into 10 raised to 3 second. So this is 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. 10 raised to 6 is called million or mega. So it is 3.6 megajoules. 3.6 megajoules. Option B. 3.6 megajoules.
Done, sir.
Next is 1 volt is. Now we all know potential is defined as work done to move the charge. So 1 volt is 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. 1 joule upon 1 coulomb, that is in C. 29. Uniform wire of resistance 4 ohm is stretched so that length becomes 3 times the original. New length 3 times original. Then what is new resistance R? Whenever wire is stretched, then we have 3 formulas. R1 by R2 is L1 upon L2 square, or A2 upon A1 square, or radius R2 upon R1 raised to 4. So 4 upon R2, length L1, L2 is 3L1 square. So 4 upon R2 is 1 upon 3 square 9. R2 is 36 ohms. R2 36 ohms, option D. Like clear now? 29.
Yes, sir.
30th. The length and area of cross section. Length and area of cross section of a conductor are doubled. So new length double, area double, so that then the resistance will be how much? New resistance will be how much? Length and area of cross section are doubled. Its resistance will be how much? So R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 into A2 upon A1. So R1 upon R2 is L1, L2 is twice L1, area is twice A1, A1, L1 cancel, 2 cancel. So R1 upon R2 is 1, therefore R1 and R2 is same. Same means unchanged.
Unchanged.
Unchanged, yes. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 31. Bit important. Theoretical it is. See, there are two types of velocities of electron. Karan, can you tell which two velocity? Yes, Karan, go ahead.
Drift velocity.
Which one? Yes, Karan, go ahead. Which velocity you said?
So drift velocity.
Drift velocity. Okay. और कौन सा है? Arya? One is drift velocity. Which other velocity electron has?
No, sir, I can't recollect.
No problem. Neha, Isha, Ranjali, can you recollect? One is drift velocity, rightly said. Any other velocity?
Current density.
Which one? Which velocity? Ranjali, which velocity you said?
No, sir, it's not a velocity. Current density, I was saying.
Okay. Irtha? Swaraj? Nandini? Rajvardhan? Sandesh? Aryan? Soham? Soham, can you hear me? Soham Bagatkar?
Yes, sir.
चलो आपको थोड़ा इजी करने के लिए
Angular velocity.
which one? Avan, you said something?
Angular.
Angular? No बेटा, angular तो गोल स्पिन नहीं होता है, स्ट्रेट चलता है ना इलेक्ट्रॉन. एंगुलर तो स्पिन होएगा तभी होएगा, ये ऑर्बिट होता है. Current Gora? Current?
Yes, sir.
This velocity comes when we connect battery or without battery or any time. This drift velocity comes when battery is connected or without battery, or with both? That
So
will,
when we connect the battery.
when it will connect the battery, then electrons will get acceleration and then they will drift with velocity, called as drift velocity, जिसका formula है I is Veena. So drift velocity, remember, it is only when battery is connected. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन बैटरी नहीं कनेक्ट किया तो अंदर क्या चुपचाप रहते हैं क्या?
No, sir.
No,
They are
sir.
in the state of random motion.
Yes,
कौन सा रहता
sir.
है? रैंडम मोशन में होते हैं. अब ये रैंडम मोशन वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑर्बिट से निकल गया रहेगा ना,
हाँ सर.
एटम के ऑर्बिट से.
हाँ सर.
ये थर्मल एजिटेशन से निकलता है. किसका वजह से निकलता है?
Thermal agitation.
That means the electrons which are randomly moving within the metal electrons which move randomly within conductor. देखो न्यूमेरिकल से ज्यादा कभी कभी थियरी डेंजरस हो जाता है. विथ इन कंडक्टर आर ड्यू टू थर्मल एजिटेशन. It is nearly 10 raised to 5 to 10 raised to 6 meter per second. When battery is connected, then average velocity with which electron emerges out is called as drift velocity. It is of the order 10 raised to -4 meter per second. तो ये प्लीज स्टेटमेंट थोड़ा याद रखना. रैंडम वाले का स्पीड देखो 10 रेज टू 5 से 10 रेज टू 6 के आसपास है, और ड्रिफ्ट वाला 10 रेज टू -4 ओनली बैटरी कनेक्टेड होता है तभी होता है. नाउ टेल मी द आंसर. 31. Pardon? Drift velocity, can it be due to light energy? ड्रिफ्ट एनर्जी क्या लाइट एनर्जी से होता है? लाइट गिराया तो हो जाता है? नो ना.
No, sir.
सो लाइट एंड थर्मल तो गया क्योंकि थर्मल रैंडम वाला है. अभी केमिकल एनर्जी एंड नन, इसमें से चेक करना है. सो ड्रिफ्ट वेलोसिटी इज ड्यू टू एक्सेलरेशन, नॉट केमिकल एनर्जी. इसका वजह से ये
Acceleration.
तो
Acceleration.
आंसर क्या आएगा? नन ना.
Yes.
नन, नन इज द आंसर. Completed 31.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 32. Two resistors R and 2R are connected in series. Series मतलब एक के बाद एक, ऐसा? This is series, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So two resistors are connected in series in an electrical circuit. The thermal energy means heat energy developed in R and in 2R are in the ratio. We want heat energy developed in the ratio. Series में what is same? Series है तो क्या same रहेगा throughout? Very good.
Current.
Current same. Correct. तो अगर इसमें करंट 1 सेकेंड तक गया तो इसमें भी 1 सेकेंड तक जाएगा ना,
हाँ सर.
मतलब टाइम भी सेम हो गया क्या? नहीं.
Yes.
What is heat formula in terms of current?
Square RT.
I square RT. Here I comma T are same. So can I say therefore H1 upon H2 is R1 upon R2. R1 is R, R2 is 2R, which is 1 by 2. Yes, clear? No?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. पैरेलल में रहेगा तो आप v स्क्वायर अपॉन r वाला यूज करना, बिकॉज पैरेलल में वोल्टेज कांस्टेंट है.
Done, sir.
The temperature coefficient of resistance of copper conductor. Temperature coefficient alpha is change in resistance upon original resistance at 0 degree per degree rise in temperature. Now, for metals, ये रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे. रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ेगा मतलब डिफरेंस पॉजिटिव रहेगा क्या नेगेटिव रहेगा?
Positive.
Positive. So
Positive.
for metal, alpha is positive. For semiconductors, सेमीकंडक्टर भी एक मटेरियल होता है, अल्फा इज निगेटिव, ये उल्टा बिहेव करता है. फॉर एलॉयज लाइक नाइक्रोम, टंगस्टन, अल्फा इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 0. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
For insulators, अल्फा इज परफेक्टली 0, क्योंकि उसका रेजिस्टेंस जो है वो कम ज्यादा नहीं होता है. नाउ विल चेक व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड. किसका पूछा है वो लोग ने ये 4 में से? कॉपर. कॉपर मेटल है क्या, सेमीकंडक्टर है क्या, एलॉय है? व्हाट इज कॉपर? Copper is metal.
Metal.
For copper, which is metal, what will be alpha? Positive. That is answer
Positive.
A.
Done.
34. The color for 1000 ohm resistance R. 1000 ohm, you can write 10 into 100, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this, can I write 10 raised to 2?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 indicates which color?
Brown.
Brown.
Brown. And 0 is for
Black.
And this 2 is for red.
Red.
Check black, brown, red is there. Brown,
Option A.
black, red. Option A. Brown, black, red. Option A. Next one, 35. "35. 10-meter long wire has area of 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters square. If the resistivity is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter, then what is resistance of the wire? Resistance formula is rho L upon area. Now we know all the three quantities. If you know multiplication, division, I think you will tell correct answer. Please all of you try and tell me what is correct answer.
Sir, option A.
So A.
Okay. Option A. Rho is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 into 10. Area is 0.1 into 10 raised to minus 6. That is also 10 raised to minus 7. So option A, 50 ohms. The unit of specific resistance is so simple. What is unit of specific resistance? Ohm meter. Ohm meter. Ohm meter is given. 37. If the temperature coefficient of metallic conductor is increased, drift velocity of electron in it will. Temperature of metal is increased, then drift velocity of electron will remain same, increases, decreases, or no change. No change means remains same. What is formula for drift velocity?
I upon NA.
I upon NAE. Drift velocity is what you said? I upon NAE.
E.
I upon NAE. I means what? Correct. No?
Yes, sir.
V by R.
And A is area of cross section, E is electron. These three are constant. Now, number of electrons per unit volume. When temperature is increased, then N means number of electrons per unit volume will increase or decrease. Increase हो जाएगा, मतलब ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन भी आएगा ना लिबरेशन से, मतलब हीट करेंगे तो ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहर आता है ना.
Hello, sir. So your voice is
Voice is cracking. Now you can hear.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, your voice is.
yes, sir.
Wait. For everybody it is cracking or only for one student?
For
No,
everyone.
sir.
Yes, sir. For every.
For everybody it is cracking. Okay. उसको करना पड़ेगा फिर से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. Hello, is it tracking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
फिर से reconnect करता हूँ, हाँ? Then I think.
Okay, sir.
Again, I'm reconnecting and sending you the ID.
Okay.
Okay.